Here's a quick look at the custom lead routing in DYL. Again, you'll be at the settings page and scroll down to lead routing. So those of you buying internet leads or contact forms from your own website, you can create special routes for those leads to go. So you'll see here the first is just to create a route itself. Click create route. And you'll see your different sources here. So those of you that already have the lead integration set up, you'll just select it from that source. So let's say I choose this commercial lead. And you can also filter this out by type. So if you have a certain type of leads going to different departments like auto loans or commercial loans or whatever it may be, you can do it that way as well. And then the next section you'll see is the distribution type. Lead Connect is the most popular with DYL, and what that setup is the traditional DYL style where the lead will be unassigned. When it comes in, the lead will automatically ring the phone of whatever ring group it's going to. And then once that person makes contact, that will assign the lead then. And you'll see below these callback sequences for these unassigned leads in Lead Connect. You also have some other options here. You can also auto-assign your leads. What that will do is auto-assign your leads in a round-robin rotation, or you can also leave your leads unassigned. In that case, your leads will come in and assign those manually. So let's just say I keep this on Lead Connect. I see the route destination here. So in this case, I want this to go to people in that role that I just set up for sales. And I want to keep this in the round robin distribution. You can also set this up with a ring all, and what that will do is ring everyone in that group at once. You can also set this in a specific order, or you can also go by ratio, which you can see in another video. So let's just say we keep this on the round robin, and then I click confirm. Now you'll see here where it says workflow NA. The only way a workflow will automatically activate is if it's auto-assigned. So those of you that are auto-assigning your leads, you can also have it automatically trigger a workflow. So in this case, if I'm doing an auto-assigned lead, I can select, let's say, this workflow for auto no home, and that will trigger that whole sequence in that workflow dashboard for your user. Next section you'll see here for your custom lead routing is destination. Those of you with offices in multiple states or cities, you can do this here. So if I want to add a location, let's just say I want to do the entire state of California, for example. I can do that here, and I want this only to go to sales. I can route that here. You'll see where it says default state. But in this case, I want to actually select the state, so I click add new route, and then select it from the drop-down, and again, I want that just to go to sales. And you can have for as many states as you want here. You can also do this by zip code. So if I want to do this by zip code in, let's say, Los Angeles, again, I want this to go to sales. And I just go to add route for the zip code. In this case, you just type it in. So let's say 90046. So then, again, those of you with multiple locations, you can break out your leads so that they go to the closest available office. So again, with the Lead Connect callbacks, these are those callbacks that while the lead is unassigned, as soon as the lead comes in, you can have as many of these as you like. To add more, you just click add call. So if I want this to come an hour, a day, a week, or a month later, you can do that. So let's just say I want this to go for 2 hours. And there will already be Lead Connect callbacks set up in the system, so you don't have to adjust these if you don't want to.